Ray White Coffs Harbour are proud to introduce 35 Timbertops Drive Diggers Beach, an impressive beachside residence set over 3 levels of luxury, accommodating the largest of families with ease. Enter through the private front courtyard before stepping inside to be greeted by high ceilings and polished timber floors. The modern stone kitchen forms the heart of the home and flows back to both the dining room and open-plan living that opens through stacker doors to a large entertaining deck. The formal living room is positioned at the front of the home, while upstairs is a genuine parents' retreat, boasting an oversized master bedroom, spa ensuite, plus a light and airy living room and sun deck, all with ocean views. Outside, the gardens are well established, and the sparkling in-ground pool will be a hit with family and friends over the summer months. Take an easy 5-minute stroll and you'll be on the sands at the beautiful Diggers Beach, regarded as one of our region's best surfing and swimming beaches, patrolled over holiday periods. Anuka and Pacific Bay are both within 5 minutes walk and offer resort-style dining for those special nights out, with Coffs Harbour CBD a short drive away. Our vendors are committed to sell, so this is your opportunity to secure a relaxed coastal lifestyle in one of Coffs Harbour's premier streets. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour.